Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to take you through the temple visit in Somnath, the do's and don'ts, and guide you through the process of having a good darshan. This is the parking lot, so there is ample parking space available where you can park your car. There is a toilet very next to the parking lot. Once you come out of the parking space, you hit the main area, which on one side will take you to the beach and also to the Lakshmi Narayana Swami temple and the Somnath Ji temple. All the pilgrimage places or tourist places in India have a distinct noise pattern to them, where hawkers keep selling things, vehicles moving around. It's a little chaotic. Enjoy the chaos along with me.
तो माला 11 बेलपत्ती गुलाब कमल फूल माला शंकर पार्वती की 2 माला अंदर नहीं मिलेगा मेरा भाई 11 बेलपत्ती गुलाब कमल नहीं मिलेगा आगे ले लो कमल गुलाब फूल
Hello friends, many of the pilgrims who come here get confused as to where to go, what to do kind of. So I am currently near Somnath Ji temple in Somnath. Behind me is the temple. So this is a large campus where you can't access, you can't take anything out. You can't take any of the things, prohibited things inside. So there are counters here where you can leave. There are counters here where you can leave your valuables like mobile phones, even keychain, handbag. Any of the substances are not allowed. So you can't take photos. So you can deposit this here. They will give you a token, which is free of cost. You need not pay anything. You just can deposit and collect the receipt. And while going back, you can collect that and go back. Nothing is allowed inside the temple premises. One more thing, many people have left their footwear here. It's not required to leave the footwear outside. Once you cross this jetty, there is a check point there where there will be frisking. You will be bodily checked if you are carrying any of the prohibited things. Once you cross that and go inside, there is a stall, just like how you keep your luggage deposited. There is a place where you can keep your footwear. You can leave your footwear there and then enter the temple. And there are toilets inside the temple premises as well. So that's not an issue. You can use the facility inside. Enter through here. Again I repeat, you need not leave your footwear here. You enter through here. There you get your check done. And once you get the check done, you go inside, leave your footwear there and then go have your darshan. It's a very beautiful temple, but no camera or any videography, photography, nothing is allowed. And even even your keys are not allowed inside. So everything needs to be deposited here. You can enter and enjoy the beauty of the temple. Evenings there is a sound and light show for which you have to take a ticket here, and then you can enjoy the show at the specific timing. Here there is a Lakshmi Narayan temple. This is not part of this premise, but outside you can also visit the temple. And one more good thing here is, if you want to go to the beach, you have to take a ticket and then enter the beach. The beach is enclosed. You can't really enter into the beach. The entrance to the beach is next to the Lakshmi Narayan Ji's temple. And ticket for one adult is 5 rupees. Children above the age of 10 need to take a ticket. Children without the age of 10 are free. Tickets to light and sound show need to be taken here. It is from here, this side. Entry and exit are a little different. So exit is from here. You can't come to the entrance point unless you get out completely and go down. You can't come from the exit point. You have to come all the way, like here. This is the exit. You have to take the stairs and then go about down, go to that side, come enter, and then collect your things here. One more thing you have to keep in mind is, since mobiles are not allowed inside, and this is literally a huge campus, and if you are coming as a family, they split ladies separately and men separately. So there is a separate line for like different genders, women on one side and men on one side. So you get split up. Darshan might also be split up. In that case, think of a point where we will convene again after your darshan, because otherwise it's very difficult to communicate with each other without mobile. So think of a point where you will meet your family after the darshan, so that you don't spend time looking for them or get lost. Since anyway you have to collect the mobile and other valuables which you have deposited in the lockers here, you can keep that as the meeting point, which will be easy to come and join back with your family. You don't need to spend time looking for them if you think of a place to convene again after the darshan.
अपनी संख्या कम लगा। इसमें कैमरा है, देख लो।
This is the exit gate to the Somnath Ji temple. You have to come out through this and go to the place where you had deposited the valuables to collect it from there.
This is the entry path to the beach. It's called the Ocean View. Here you can see. You enter through this, take a ticket, and then go to the beach.
Entrance to go to the beach. अभी तो भैया उन्होंने दिया था। So most of the signages are either in Gujarati or in Hindi. So you have to take a right here once you enter and then go take a ticket. Ticket charges ₹5. Some shops here selling all those things which gets sold in tourist places, usually like bags, toys, some junk jewelry. And since this is a beach side, you get shells, things made out of shells as well. You can purchase if interested. Some eateries here as well. And that is the beach.
We had Maggie since we were very hungry before venturing into the water. So it was hot and freshly made, though not so healthy. We relished it. What you see at the distance is the Somnathji temple. Here you have camels fitted with seats. So if you are up to it, you can enjoy a camel ride or a horse ride. We enjoyed a camel ride as a family, and it was very much exciting for the kids to get on top of the camel, look at everything from the vantage point. So up to you. Then we enjoyed the clean waters of the beach, wet our feet, enjoyed the waves, sat there for some time, and the kids played in the sand. That's all from Somnath. We are now heading to Diu. So see you in the next video in Diu. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.